So this is somewhat of an interesting recipe. It's called Xian Doujiang, which translates to savory or salty soy milk. And I lived in Taiwan for a year, guys, and I never tried salty soy milk because I thought it was really strange. And so I decided to give this a go, and it turned out super creamy, super yummy. And it's a kind of unique. It's kind of different. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So, whenever I make soy milk, I do like to give them a good soaking overnight and a good wash in case if there's anything on them. And I am very excited because I just got sent this Chinese soy milk maker. So, I'm going to be doing a full review on it, but it definitely makes making soy milk a whole lot easier. So, anybody who does not know what this is Chinese youtiao, which is their fried dough. And you're actually supposed to put it in the savory soy milk, and that's how you do it. Anybody that knows me knows that I do not fry in my house just for anything, but these are absolutely delicious. So if you guys are looking for a recipe, I've done it before, but if you guys want to see a new video, definitely let me know, and I'll go ahead and show you guys. So what really makes this soy milk salty and on the savory side is really the last bits that we're putting in. So I have a little bit of soy sauce as well as some brown rice vinegar. Recipe is all going to be down below, but what the vinegar will do is to ever so slightly curdle the soy milk a little bit. I know it's a little bit weird, but it is actually creamy, and if you think about it like you're drinking like a savory soup, this is going to be crazy delicious. So that'll curdle a little bit. The soy sauce will give it that savory flavor. And then I'm adding in the fried dough, and this is a little bit of da tai. This is a pickled preserved mustard that is salty, savory, but then also a little bit spicy as well. You can put it in if you want, and if you don't want, then just, leave it out. A little bit of scallion just to dress up on top, and yeah, this recipe is good to go. So, some of you already know where I am heading with this recipe. I will display a couple more and then put it all together for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe. It was a crazy labor of love. It took like the whole week to get everything together. So I really hope you guys do try it. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again real soon. Bye!